Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to download Fortnite on the Android. So if you want to download the Fortnite game on your Android, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your browser, any browser you are using, and you have to search for the Epic Games, and here you will see a link on the top. So simply you have to click on it. Now you are on the official site of the Epic Game. Simply you have to click on this three lines and here you will see get Epic Games. Click on it and you will see a file is started downloading. You have to wait for it till it download. Once you will install it, after that you have to simply log into your Epic account, and in the Epic Game account you have to search for the Fortnite and you can simply install through that. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, simply drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.